GBC your favorite เลยเนี่ยอ่า
Hey, look! Hey! Hey, look at Mario! Hey, look at Mario!
Happy birthday to you.
Look, look, look.
thank you
I have so
GB eat
many eyes.
eat เลยค่ะ ไม่ต้องดิฟนะ it's spicy
If I say that this type of boat noodles is to a Thai person what sandwiches are to a Swedish person, would I be wrong?
Hey, hey, see
Huh?
how many eyes I
พี่ไม่ล่ะ
have?
because people can eat
Yeah, you eat it like it's a simple but good food,
yeah
right?
yeah noodle
What is my wife's happiness?
I have to eat I want to eat
And my happiness in Sweden is sandwiches. This is definitely not luxury food, but it's
No.
definitely good food.
yeah.
And this place is good. I
You
don't
know
think.
what? I live in a Victory Monument area. It's a lot of this brand.
And Victory Monument, one bowl of noodles costs like $5 or something, right?
Now they price change already. So now they update to be 20 everyone.
20 baht?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Since I eat the first time around 7 baht.
That's 50 cents for a bowl.
Now it's 20 baht. But the bowl is small. Nah.
Yeah, but it's still cheap food. But this is this place is better quality than Victory Monument.
No.
This
The
is
thing is, it's different. This is too salty.
too salty.
ชีเค็มไปเมื่อ before this is not this salty.
To me, it tastes roughly the same.
Or maybe because I'm sick.
Or maybe because I'm Swedish, I don't notice the difference much.
And people gonna stack together.
Yes, you stack the bowl because you eat a lot. So what is the brown soup? Is what?
The blood.
Blood?
Yeah.
You gave me blood.
But mix in the soup.
So what is that one?
ต้มย
Tom yum.
ำ try ไหม
And the pink one?
เย็นตาโฟ
Yin tofu.
I try ไหม
Yeah, I can try.
You know what? Let me bring this. I don't know.
you like it better เอานี่ปะโชว์อีกมาเอาไหม you don't eat
Oh, I'm okay.
Sunay say อีก 1 hour she come she just finish
Oh.
I just like just meet hotel เลย because we gonna be done soon I don't wanna walk here all day
Did she eat there?
no she said that she not eat but she gonna eat snack something
Oh. Kind of my favorite part of this is this yellow, whatever it is.
they're famous
Yeah, GV's favorite is the meatballs. Give me a Give us a score. What are the meatballs like?
Like from 0 to infinity, there's a list of course.
I can't hear you. Speak louder.
From 0 to infinity,
I still can't hear you.
from 0 to infinity, I make these in like 3 infinity.
3 infinities. Okay.
Okay, let's be back.
3 infinities. That's a lot of infinities.